Relative imports, module not found error. No module named X. This is the first time I've really sat down and tried Python 3 and seem to be failing miserably. I have the following two files. test.py, config.py. Config.py has a few functions defined in it as well as a few variables. I've stripped it down to the following. config.py, test.py. I also have an _init_.py. However, I'm getting the following error. I'm aware that the Py3 convention is to use absolute imports. However, this leads to the following error. So I'm at a loss as to what to do here. Any help is greatly appreciated. Smile.
TL, Doctor, you can't do relative imports from the file you execute since _main_module is not a part of a package. Absolute imports, import something available on sys.path. Relative imports, import something relative to the current module, must be a part of a package. If you're running both variants in exactly the same way, one of them should work. Here is an example that should help you understand what's going on. Let's add another main.py file with the overall directory structure like this. And let's update test.py to see what's going on. Let's run test.py first. Here test is the _main_module and doesn't know anything about belonging to a package. However, import config should work, since the Ryan folder will be added to sys.path. Let's run main.py instead. And here test is inside of the Ryan package and can perform relative imports. Import config fails since implicit relative imports are not allowed in Python 3. Hope this helped. PS, if you're sticking with Python 3 there is no more need for _init_.py files.
You have to append your project's path to Python path and make sure to use absolute imports. For Unix, Linux, OS X. For Windows, absolute imports. Assuming that we have the following project structure. Just make sure to reference each import starting from the project's root directory. For instance, for a more comprehensive explanation, refer to the article How to Fix ModuleNotFoundError and Import Error.
I figured it out. Very frustrating, especially coming from Python 2. You have to add a dot to the module, regardless of whether or not it is relative or absolute. I created the directory setup as follows. mods.py. Modi.py, main.py. When I execute main, this is what happens. I ran 2 to 3, and the core output was this. I had to modify Modi.py's import statement to fix it. Then I ran main.py again and got the expected output. Lastly, just to clean it up and make it portable between 2 and 3.